Someone asked me, should I rather trust my intuition or my reason? But I see a problem in this question, some presupposition that basically intuition would be opposed to reason. Well, that is not necessarily the case. Intuition can or not be rational. Right? And let me give you an example. Suppose you have been driving since a few years. You have experience. So when you drive, you're not thinking about your driving. You're not analyzing what you're doing. Everything is done in a rather intuitive way. But it doesn't mean it's not rational, because it's based on experience and on learning. So you can call this educated intuition. And educated intuition is rational. Even your body, as Nietzsche says, the body is the great reason. Even your body is rational in the processes that it goes through. You don't have to think about it. You don't even have to be conscious of it. Or you can say your instinct is rational when you want to eat, when your body needs it, when you're hungry. So then we can say that there's two different ways to think. There is the intuitive, immediate, the fast way. And then there is the discursive. And that's often what people mean by irrational. They think it's only discursive. But there is a discursive rational process where you analyze, you problematize, you evaluate what you think. And that's another form of reason. Right, the slow way. So we need both. You don't want to think about everything when you drive, so you don't want to analyze every gesture you make. So it's very useful that your intuition has been educated. But periodically you have intuitions. It is worthwhile to analyze them, to examine your intuition, to check if it's grounded or not in reality. And then you use your discursive reason. So you have to be able to alternate between intuitive reason and discursive reason, but both are necessary depending on the situation, the context, and actually both types of reason interact one with the other. When you have thought a lot about something, you have acquired some educated intuition. And when you have intuition, you can analyze it to see if it's rational or not. Right? So in other words, we have to accept the idea that there's two forms of reason. Intuition is one of them, but we have to be able to distinguish when our intuition is rational or not rational. And this can be done through discursive reason.